What's going on, everybody? Justin here. The Winds of Change is the channel name. Thank you for stopping by. Today, it's a little bit more than halfway through the year, but I got this idea. You know what? Maybe every month, every 6 months, I put up the items that made me the most profit for that time period. I think going forward, maybe I'll do this every month, but I'm just going to do it so far into this year. It's August, the beginning of August, so we're going to look at the things that made me the most in terms of profitability this year in 2022. So let's get right into that. This is a report taken from Inventory Lab. You can go to Inventory Lab and go by profit per ASIN or per SKU, and it'll tell you, all the profit by individual items, and you can, make it sort by highest to lowest, lowest to highest, etc. So let's look here at the number one item. This was crazy. I actually made a short about this. This was at a Marshall's, and the short got a ton of views, and the items were really awesome. They were the Shiseido Benefice Extra Creamy Cleansing Foam. Now, if we take a look, let's see. If we take a look now, they're not even available anymore on Amazon. So if we look up here and we go to the ASIN, it's not even available on Amazon anymore. So we can't really take a look at that. And that's the thing with some of these items. Some of these items, they sell for a lot of money because they're either not being made anymore or there's limited availability. So you can't necessarily go out and buy it over and over again. As a matter of fact, I went to so many Marshalls to look for these items again, and I couldn't do it. But if you look here, I got 10 of them, right? So I sold 10. People ordered one at a time. Revenue was $817. Profit was $459. So I was making about $46 per item, and I was buying them for 20. So I bought them for 20 and sold them. I think I sold them for around $80 each, and made some pretty killer profit. They sold super fast. That was really amazing. So that was number one. Number two came from Marshalls and TJ Maxx, actually. So I got them in both places. I sold 22 of them. This Bare Minerals Moxie Plumping Lip Gloss. Maverick is the color. And I sold a bunch of different kinds of these. This particular one, Maverick here. And I think I picked them up for about $6 and sold them for around $28 each on average, making $317 so far for the year. We can bring that over and we can look at this. So this is what it is. These are still selling, but there's not a whole lot of them available right now, right? As a matter of fact, it doesn't look like anybody. Is this even in stock right now? See all buying options. Yeah, so somebody has it listed, and there's not a lot of them, evidently. But it definitely has gone up in price, $44.99. Again, probably because the availability has gone down. So right now, whoever has them is making, almost $30 on them. But that's the one that I had, and I sold mine for a little bit cheaper, but this was the item that it was. Comes in a box like this. And whenever you get these things from TJ Maxx or Marshalls, you always want to make sure that it is new, that it is the box is undamaged, and that it's the right actual color in the box. Because I've seen some weird stuff happen. Like these are taken out with something put in there that's not right, and all kinds of crazy stuff. So you need to be careful when you're buying those. Let's look here at the next thing. Let's see. 1 second here. Let's pull this over. All right. So this here is Jurassic World Legacy Collection, exclusive Brachiosaurus action figure. So this thing was really big. I got this at a bargain hunt, and I can only ship in, I think, 4 or 5 at a time in a box. And they went to a specific location. So like if I had a bunch of items, it wouldn't send this in with those. It sent them to its own sort of thing. But total revenue, $1,000 here. Cost me about $24 each. And I think I sold these for around 70 or 80. Okay. Average, I think, was about 70-ish, but I made $311 on those. Let's take a look at that. All right. Here is the toy. It's a 237 seller rank. It's going for 143 right now. So again, supply went out and the price went up. So, but if you look here, you can see it was selling a lot better down here at this price, and then it sort of slowed down, and then nobody had it for a while, and then it came back up. So people are selling for like 150 right now. So, and this thing was huge. I think this thing is like 15 inches tall or something like that, maybe taller. It was big. No, here it is, 32 inches by 7 by 28 inches. This is the item. That's a pretty big item there. So that was big. But yeah, so that's it. Those are the three items. So I got it from Marshall's, TJ Maxx, and Bargain Hunt. My number one item here isn't something that is even on Amazon anymore, so I really just found that at the right time and lucked out on that. This here, these have popped up on and off throughout the years. These Bare Minerals, but made some killer profit on that. And then these Jurassic World Legacy Collections made some good profit on that as well. And again, two of these items are items that I've only seen once and I've never seen again. And then the lip gloss I've seen on and off. So always keep your eye out. I hope this helped you, right? I hope this video, I hope you saw something. You're like, oh yeah, okay, that's cool. Some things to look out for. Just some idea of the profit margins, right? That I'm making sometimes. And these aren't profit margins that are being made every single time, like 230%. That's not being made all the time. 231%. That's not being made all the time. 86% not being made all the time. A lot of times I'm only in like 35 to 40%, even lower sometimes if it's a fast seller. So. Don't freak out if you're not selling, millions of dollars a year or anything like that. Do your own thing. Work at your own pace. Do what's right for you, for your family. And just get out there and see what you can find. Scan everything. See if any of it sells. But this is definitely a cool report to look at. And I think I may add it to my list of things to do to keep y'all updated with some interesting sales and stuff like that I do during the months. And then maybe like a 6-month update or something. So we'll see how that goes. But I appreciate everybody stopping by to check this out, to check out the video, all the subs. We're at like 1,500 now, so that's awesome. I am working on getting monetized. Shamelessly, I'd like my channel to be monetized. I am like 500 hours away from being monetized. So I got the subs for it. I just don't have the watch time hours. So go back and watch all my videos, every one of them, multiple times, and I'll appreciate it. So anyway, thank you for stopping by. Remember, be kind to each other, be kind to yourself. Take it easy, and until next time, I'll catch you all later.